According to me, all our lives are defined by three identities, two of which are fortunately acquired by birth and are a matter of unconditional love and acceptance. The first identity is acquired by where one is born, our motherland. That defines us. So foremost, all of us here, like me, are proud Indians.
हाय दिस इज अक्षय कुमार मेरे और मेरे परिवार की तरफ से आप सभी को इंडिपेंडेंस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
Despite the fact that we have had only 60 odd years of independence, we are still considered to be one of the most progressive nations in the world. I think that needs to be noted, rather than that we are not up to the standards of the rest of the world.
Number one, there is nothing better in life than being faced by an insurmountable problem. Absolutely. That's the best thing. You have that in your life, you know that you can do something great. And the second thing is that there's nothing more stronger in life, in the world, than a man's will. Absolutely. You put these two things together and you have a recipe for being the most victorious person in the world.
You can't push the people of the country to a point that they just come out in the open and they take action directly.
You guys be brave and make sure that people who are abusive and who are a nuisance, get them out. If there is any religious statement, throw them out. If there is any anti-religious statement, throw them out. If there is any political battle that they want to fight there, throw them out.
They dreamt of an India where there would be justice. They dreamt of an India where there would be equality. No one is superior or inferior, we're all equal. They dreamt of an India where there would be freedom and liberty. They dreamt of an India where there would be fraternity and brotherhood.
Independence Day आपको बहुत मुबारक हो. To all the Bollywood Hungama viewers, a very happy Independence Day.
It's a day where every Indian should be proud, and you should celebrate in whatever way makes you feel free as you can.
All the viewers a very very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Happy Independence Day.
आप सबको स्वतंत्रता दिवस का हार्दिक मुबारक. प्लीज सेलिब्रेट इट.
Wish everyone a very happy Independence Day. Wish every Indian a very happy Independence Day. I'd like to wish you all a very very happy Independence Day. A very happy Independence Day.